I would pick mine. So Gen AI is not in the POC phase; it's actually getting demoed. Testing is going to be the next big thing. You could be a developer, you could be a tester, and Gen AI is going to augment with whatever activities you do.
Hello everyone, a very good evening. Today we have Mr. Somil Boradia from EPAM. He is one of our speakers at APEC's largest software testing conference, Step-in Summit. Hi Somil, thank you for joining us for a quick fireside chat. Today we want to have a quick conversation with you. So first, please tell us what is your highlight till now about this conference?
I think it was very well managed, very engaging. The audience were always engaged in the booths. The conference subjects were very good, and the papers submitted were also interesting.
So if we ask you to pick one, what would it be? Because there were so many good things.
I would pick mine. No, yeah, but jokes apart, I think there were good case studies being discussed, good actual demos being done. So that was the good part of it. So Gen AI is not in the POC phase; it's actually getting demoed. So that's more exciting for me.
So as you mentioned about the Gen AI, and it's in the phase of getting the right exposure which it needs. So what do you think? I mean, Gen AI in testing. What is your thought in this, and how do you promote if we have a certification on Gen AI in testing? What is your take on this, sir?
Definitely, Gen AI in testing is going to be the next big thing. You get a lot of productivity improvements, efficiency improvements. I had a talk on that, so it's a big subject, vast subject matter. But the most important thing in Gen AI in testing is that you need to make sure Gen AI is being used across the STLC and not working silos. The next phase of Gen AI is going to be about agents. We need to make sure that we move towards the agents, human interacting with agents, and that is where we will see productivity improvement and efficiency improvement. The main part of it is, Gen AI should reduce our testing cycle times. Right now, we don't see those happening, but when we start working with agents, we would definitely see the testing life cycles reducing by, at least 50%.
So I think this is the right thing in the technology which has come across, like Gen AI in AI testing. You support it. I mean, definitely. Glad to know. So because you are so happy about it and the content you spoke about on Gen AI, so if your kid want to take a career in testing, what would your thoughts on be? Like, would you be happy, sad, or neutral?
Oh, definitely. I think by the time my kid graduates and takes up this profession, I think Gen AI would have evolved at a much faster pace than what we are looking at it. Testing would not be a standalone role that uh, people will need to do. Uh, the roles will mix up. You could be a developer, you could be a tester, and Gen AI is going to augment with whatever activities you do. So yeah, I mean, she could become a developer or a tester if she chooses to become a tester.
So she would enjoy her job because you are enjoying it. So glad to know. So another question. So if you were to describe testing as a career in three emojis, what would it be? Maybe you can act as well if you want, or you can just let us know. If you act, it would be like a fun thing for us.
Yeah, the first reaction that I get, testing, at least in the pre-Gen AI phase. Yeah, see, my hair is always almost gone, so that is the phase that I've gone through. Uh, Typically, because we are pressed by timelines, and we are asked to automate things at a much faster pace, and the development is slower. So yeah, that first emoji is like frustration. Second emoji is, we get to understand a lot of things as a tester. We understand the entire landscape, unlike a developer who's just focused on particular functionality. Tend to work across all the functionalities. So the next emoji will be with a smile. Good that we understood this. And the third emoji would be of a neutral guy who's actually given a task to find defects. So he is kind of a neutral guy without any biases. So that's the emoji that I would give like this.
That's good to know. So it's frustration, happiness, and being neutral about it. Thank you so much, Somil. It was wonderful talking to you. Last but not the least, any thoughts or feedbacks about us for the conference till now? And I hope you are attending tomorrow as well.
Definitely, I'm attending tomorrow as well. It was a well managed conference. I've been part of Step In earlier also, but this time I've seen that the entire forum has increased, well managed, newer topics, new speakers. Booths are well managed, and the audience is engaged. So the most important part in any conferences that we see, right? It's more of slideware, more of talking, but when the audience gets engaged, that's the learning for the audience. So this is a special summit that I've seen where audiences are constantly engaged with all the booths, with the demos, with the the quizzes that we have. So well managed. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Somal, for the feedback. I mean, it serves as a motivation for us to do better and better. So thank you so much for the conversation. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you, sir.